What's up, everyone? I'm Mike, and welcome back to Top Crypto. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called OpenSea. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I am not a financial advisor, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's begin to our topic. Before diving into OpenSea, understanding NFTs first saves you from confusion later on. A non-fungible token is a token that cannot be fungible. That doesn't tell you much, and there's a lot to unpack, so let's begin at the beginning. A fungible token is a digital currency, such as Bitcoin, that may be traded interchangeably. Fungible tokens are not one of a kind, which means that a Bitcoin is always equal to any other Bitcoin. The same is true for conventional currency. Because dollar notes are interchangeable, neither of you loses anything if you swap them. A non-fungible token, on the other hand, symbolizes a one-of-a-kind digital good. Consider CryptoPunk's profile image avatars, Axie Infinity in-game goodies, and original digital artworks. As a result, if you own a CryptoPunk NFT and a buddy owns a Bored Ape YC NFT, they are not convertible in the same way that currencies are, since they are separate digital things. NFTs have captivated digital producers of all stripes, because they enable proven ownership of digital assets for the first time. Furthermore, they allow artists and collectors to trade directly with one another, which is what OpenSea's peer-to-peer NFT market is all about. OpenSea is the first and largest peer-to-peer marketplace for cryptogoods, which include collectibles, gaming items, and other virtual goods backed by a blockchain. On OpenSea, anyone can buy or sell these items through a smart contract. Alex Atala and Devin Finzer established OpenSea in New York City in 2017. Shortly after, they applied to the renowned Y Combinator startup incubator and obtained a $2.7 million investment. Early on, the OpenSea crew had a lot to prove. Aside from early fads like CryptoKitties, NFTs were failed to catch on until 2021. However, the team's prediction that consumers would eventually value digital things as highly if not more than real ones began to come true. Here's some context to help you grasp what OpenSea is. The trading of cryptocurrency tokens laid the groundwork for the present NFT boom. People all around the world exchange digital cash and utility tokens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They are at ease with digitally owning objects they cannot see or feel, signaling that the digital native era has arrived. Interacting with digital items is becoming more common as individuals live their lives online more and more. However, although in the early days of the web, people tried to bring the physical into the digital, the present phase is all about digital-first products like fantastic memes, games, and interactive experiences. This is also why people are moving away from using selfies as profile shot avatars on social networking platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Instead, penguins, pixelated punks, and cynical apes with laser eyes are taking over as avatars. In a larger sense, all of these clues point to the birth of the metaverse. A shared virtual realm that we all construct and control together, and in which NFTs play an important role. So, while it's tempting to think of OpenSea as the eBay of digital goods, it's much more than that. When you purchase an NFT, it is yours in the same manner that groceries are yours after payment. But what if you want to move it, sell it, or look for others like it? What if you want to buy an NFT, but want to readily examine its ownership history? There was no straightforward method to do any of these things before OpenSea. Yes, OpenSea is a peer-to-peer NFT marketplace, but it is also the user interface layer between the blockchain and regular customers, making NFTs accessible to anybody. OpenSea now supports many blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and Platin. This tutorial outlines the distinctions between these several blockchains in a nutshell. Ethereum is a 2015 decentralized, open-source blockchain with smart contract capability. Ether is the Ethereum blockchain's native coin. On the Ethereum blockchain, ETH is used to pay transaction fees. OpenSea has no role in determining gas rates, which are decided by supply and demand, and fluctuate based on network usage. Polygon is a distinct blockchain that enables scalable, safe, and quick transactions with Ethereum currencies such as ETH, USDC, and DAI. Cryptocurrencies must be bridged from Ethereum's blockchain to Polygon as one of the first scaling options for Ethereum. Consider Polygon to be a sister to Ethereum. The currencies are similar, but the two blockchains differ slightly. Users will be able to utilize Polygon to manufacture, purchase, and trade NFTs without incurring transaction fees beginning in July 2021, thereby establishing a gas-free marketplace. Clayton is a blockchain created by Kakao, a Korean internet business. Users may purchase and sell Clayton NFTs on OpenSea by using the Kika's wallet browser extension. On OpenSea, you can do a lot of cool stuff. Of course, the most popular acts are trading, selling, or purchasing various types of NFTs. However, you may also utilize the site to learn more about the NFT industry and learn about new initiatives. Without any prior knowledge, OpenSea allows you to design your own NFTs. To get started, you'll need to amass an NFT collection. After that, you may begin uploading NFTs in supported formats. Let's take a look at OpenSea Twitter page. They started their official page back at December 2017 and have 1.2 million followers. And here are the pinned tweet of OpenSea on Twitter. Check out their most recent blog post by Xander Atala about listing and delisting your NFTs. And that's all for OpenSea. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.